This Notebook LM trick is insane. Today I'm going to show you the new Notebook LM trick that does your SEO research for you. It's free to try, it's fast, and it just got way smarter. Google gave it its own computer. No joke. You type one idea and it goes and finds the sources, builds the report, and even makes the slides. If you do SEO, this saves you hours. Stick around because most people have no clue this exists yet. If you do any SEO at all, you need to see what Google just did to Notebook LM, because this changes how you do keyword research, content research, and competitor research forever. Now, let me tell you why this is a big deal for SEO. Most people still think Notebook LM is just a thing that reads your PDFs and gives you a summary. That's what it was. You upload a doc, you ask a question, it answers. Cool, but kind of boring, right? Well, on June 8th, 2026, Google blew the whole thing up. They rolled out a giant update called Better Research, and it turns Notebook LM into something totally different. It's not a note tool anymore. It's basically a research helper that does the hard SEO work for you. So what actually changed? Let me break it down nice and simple. First, it now runs on Google's new brain called Gemini 3.5. That means better thinking, better research, and better answers. Google said it gives you more accurate info and lets you see how it's thinking. So you're not just trusting a black box, you can watch it work. But here's the part that made my jaw drop. Every single notebook now gets its own computer, a real cloud computer. I'm not making that up. That's straight from Google's own announcement. Each notebook has a secure cloud computer that can run code. Now you might be thinking, Julian, why do I care about a computer running code? I do SEO, not coding. Good question. Let me tell you why this is huge. Because that computer can do the boring stuff for you. It can take a big, messy list of keywords and clean it up. It can run the numbers, it can build charts, it can make spreadsheets, it can spot patterns in your data, all without you touching a single line of code. You just ask and it does it. And that's the trick I want you to remember from this whole video, the cloud computer. Hold that thought, because in a minute I'm going to show you the exact prompt that makes this work for SEO. And it's so simple, it's almost silly. But wait, it gets better. Now, Notebook LM can build real stuff for you, not just answers, real files. It can make PowerPoint slide decks. It can make Excel spreadsheets. It can make PDFs. It can make charts and reports. So you go from a blank page to a finished thing. Google listed all of this in their announcement: charts, spreadsheets, slides, PDFs, all of it. Think about what that means for SEO. You ask it to research a topic and it hands you back a content brief, a keyword chart, and a slide deck to show your boss or your client in one go. That used to take a whole afternoon. And there's one more thing that's going to make your life easier. It can now find sources by itself. Before, you had to know exactly what to upload, which is a pain, right? Because half the time you don't even know what you're looking for yet. Now you just give it a loose idea, like, I want to learn about this topic. And it goes out, searches the web, and finds the good sources for you. With your permission, of course. It builds the research pile so you don't have to. This solves the biggest headache in SEO research, knowing where to even start. Let me show you how this actually works in the real world. Here's the old way of doing things. ChatGPT answers your questions. Claude reads your documents. Gemini searches the web. An old Notebook LM summarized your PDFs. Each one did one little job. Here's the new way. Notebook LM now does the whole thing. It finds the info, it checks the sources, it runs the analysis, it makes the charts, it builds the slides, it hands you finished files all in one place. That's the leap. So let me give you a real example. And I'm going to use my own world here so you can see how a real business would use this. Let's say I run a community for people who want to learn AI automation. Let's call it the AI Profit Boardroom. It's a place where folks come to learn how to use AI to grow their business and save time. Now I want to grow it. I want more people to find it. So I need to do some research. Watch how easy this is with the new Notebook LM. I open a blank notebook, nothing in it, zero sources, and I type this prompt: research what people want to learn about AI automation in 2026. Find the top topics, the common questions people ask, and the trends. Then build me a content plan and a slide deck I can use to teach the AI Profit Boardroom community. That's it. That's the whole prompt. Now watch what happens. Step 1, the notebook is blank. No sources, just my idea. Step 2, Notebook LM goes out and finds sources for me. It searches the web and pulls in the good stuff. Real articles, real data. I just watch it happen. Step 3, it reads everything and starts thinking. And I can see it's thinking, so I trust it. Step 4, it uses that cloud computer to make charts. It shows me what topics are hot, what people are searching for, what's growing. Step 5, it builds a slide deck, a real presentation I can actually use. Step 6, I hit export and I've got a finished deck. Done. That whole thing, a few minutes, from a blank page to a finished plan I can use to grow my community. That used to take me a full day. Now here's a little SEO trick on top of that. Once Notebook LM finds all those topics people are searching for, you've basically got a keyword list handed to you. Those questions people ask, those are the exact things you want to write about on your website. Because if you answer the questions people are typing into Google, Google sends you traffic. That's how SEO works at its core. Give people what they're searching for. So you can take that Notebook LM research and turn it straight into blog posts, videos, and pages that rank. You're not guessing anymore. You're building your content around real demand. Let me give you another quick prompt you can steal. Say I want to spy on what's working in my space. I'd type, find the most popular content about AI automation for small businesses. Show me what topics get the most attention and what questions keep coming up. Then make me a chart of the top themes. And boom. Notebook LM finds it, sorts it, and hands me a chart. Now I know exactly what content to make next to grow the AI Profit Boardroom and get more people finding us on Google. See how powerful that is? You're letting the tool do the digging while you focus on the fun part, making stuff and growing. Notebook LM has one secret advantage over a lot of other AI tools. It's source grounded. That's a fancy way of saying it. Points to real documents and real citations. It's not just making stuff up. It shows you where the info came from. And for SEO, that matters a lot because Google loves content that's accurate and backed by real sources. Junk content doesn't rank. Good, trustworthy content does. So when you use Notebook LM to research, you're building your content on a solid base. And that's exactly what helps you climb the rankings. Let me leave you with the big takeaway. Headline here isn't just that Notebook LM got smarter. The real headline is that Notebook LM can now start from a blank idea, go find the proof, run the analysis, and hand you finished work. That makes it one of the most useful research helpers out there right now. And for anyone doing SEO, that's a gift because research is the part that eats your time. And now you can hand a big chunk of it off. So try it out. Open a blank notebook, give it a loose idea about your topic, and let it go find the sources for you. Start small. You'll be shocked how fast it works. And remember the trick from today, the cloud computer. That's the thing doing all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Now, one last thing before you go. If you want to actually learn how to use AI tools like this to grow your business, come join us in the AI Profit Boardroom. It's our community where we show you the exact AI tools, prompts, and automations that save you time and grow your business. We share the new stuff the day it drops, just like this Notebook LM update. So you're always ahead of the pack. Click the link in the description and come check it out. I'd love to see you inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.